Today we are going to discuss the Python string and list. Last day I have given you the concept that what is a string and what is a list. So we'll see the program and we'll discuss how to use the string and the list with the Python. The first program is write a program that will accept a string and display the number of space. In the last video we have seen that one string can contain number, letter and the space. So what I have done, I have declared one variable called count. It will count the number of space. It is a counter variable, assign it to 0. Then I have declared a string and here I am going to accept the string from the user. We are using the input function because input function is going to accept the string. Now the for loop. For I in str. See this loop. Here we are not using the range. Now how much the for loop will run? Up to the last character of the string. Means when the last character will come out, the string is loop is going to be finished. And one by one character will be transferred into the I. Fine. Now if I is equal to space, we know that one, this is a symbol of the space. Double quotes, within the two double quotes, blank double quotes. Count is equal to count plus I, means the counter variable will be incremented by 1 and we are going to print the count. Now we are going to see this one with the example. When I run the program, this is the input I have given. What I have given the input? He is a good boy. Now what will actually happen? For I in str, first inside the I there will be H of he. Condition is not true. Then E. Condition is not true. Then space. Then what will happen? Counter variable will be incremented by 1. Then I of is. This one, I of is will go to the I. Not true. S. Not true. Then this space will going to be transferred to the I. Condition is true, counter variable will be incremented by 1. Like this way it will go on, and after that it will show you how many spaces are there. See that one, there is the 4 spaces are there, it will going to be show you that one. Now the next program we are going to discuss with a list. What is the program? Write a program that will accept a number and count the occurrence in list. Means inside the list, that particular number, how many times it is there. What will going to be happen? We will find how many times that number is repeated over there or how many times it has been present. So I use one variable count. This is also a counter variable. It has been initialized with 0. List, this is called the list. List is a comma separated value of any kind of variable. Here I have taken only the numerics. This type of list is called the static list, means I am not taking the input from the user. I have already initialized the list. Now I am going to take the number from the user which I am going to search in the list. What I am going to do? I am going to accept a number. I am going to search that one inside the list. So I have accepted the number. For I in L, what is going to happen? The loop will run up to the last number of the list. Fine. So what will going to happen? First the 1 will be transferred over here. Then 2, then 7, then once again the 2, then 9, then 3 and then the 7. And we are going to compare I with the num. Means suppose I have taken 7 from the user. What will going to be happen? Value of num is 7. First the value from the list that has been transferred to the I will be 1. And user has searching 7. Condition is not true. Then once again 2 has been transferred to the I. Condition is not true. 7 is going to be transferred to the I. Condition is true. Counter variable will be incremented by 1. Then once again the value of the I will be 2. Condition is not true. Then the value of the I will be 9, condition is not true. Value of the I will be 3, condition is not true. Value of the I will be 7 and condition is true. So counter variable will be incremented by 1. How many times the 7 is there? 2 times. Thank you very much.